In this video I will show how you can easily connect your website to AdSense. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, you should know the criteria for website approval on AdSense. To increase your chances of AdSense approval, make sure your website has certain essential pages. These include an About Us page, a Contact Us page, and a Privacy Policy page. These pages provide valuable information to your visitors and demonstrate that your website is legitimate and trustworthy. Your content must be high quality, original, and attract an audience. There should be 15 to 20 blogs on your website. After you met all the criteria, let's connect our website to AdSense. For this, open your AdSense account. On the left side there is Option Site, click on it and then Add New Site. Here paste the URL of your website which you want to connect to AdSense. Press Save. After doing this, you will be directed to this page. Verify site ownership. This ensures that the website you are connecting is yours. There are 3 methods for verification: AdSense code snippet, ads.txt snippet, and meta tag. I will go with first option. Copy the AdSense code. Go to your website and open Admin Portal. Go to Plugin section and add new plugin. Search header, footer on plugin. Install this plugin. After installing, activate this plugin. This is the plugin we installed, HFCM. Open and click on Add New. Here put the snippet name. In my case I will use Google AdSense. You can give it any name, it does not matter. Scroll down and you will see snippet code. Here you have to paste the AdSense code which you copied earlier. If not copied, and then let's copy again. Paste the code and save. Now go to AdSense, check the box, I have placed the code. Click on Verify and we are done. Our site is verified. Click on Request Review to approve your website for AdSense. It may take some time to review. After your website is approved, you will be able to place ads on your website and will be able to earn money. I hope this video will be helpful. Like, share and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more informative and helpful videos. If you have any question, let me know in comments section. Thanks for watching.